What's up, gang? This article always pops up whenever I'm online. I've always seen this article floating around Twitter. I've seen this article floating around Facebook and a few other websites. And actually, this is just like one website out of many because I think Fox News reported on this and a few other websites. It's about this scientific study that came out back in October, and actually, this article from this website came out back in October 22nd, 2019. It's basically saying that thinking too much will cause you to die sooner. So I'm not sure if this is actual propaganda to persuade people to stop thinking and trying to scare people to not think, or or maybe this is like an actually legit scientific study. I'm not sure. I just want you guys to be the judge out there and to do your own research. And this is a short article, but it's basically saying that they found some kind of protein in the human brain, and that not just the human brain. This protein is found in different kind of animals. They did studies on rats and worms, and found this specific chemical is in the brain also, not just in humans. But maybe just read the article. Study thinking too much can cause you to die sooner. Let me see what they're saying on here. Okay, it said published 2019. It was updated November 17th, 2019. Study from Harvard Medical School. Researchers found excessive brain activity could lead to a shorter life. In short, thinking too much or too hard could cause you to die sooner. Scientists have been for decades studying the elements that could lead to longer or shorter lives. One study from June says that fast walkers could live longer. Another study from January says being a Floridan could help you live longer. That means, if you live in Florida, you live a longer life. But let me see what else they say on here. The Harvard researchers and authors of the study published in Nature studied people ranging in age from their 60s and 70s to those who lived to be 100 years old or older. Even though the mechanisms that extend lifespan in humans are poorly understood, the study said that people who died before they reached their mid 80s had lower levels of a protein called REST in the brains. This protein, the study says, can tamp down the genes involved in sparking brain activity. Other Harvard researchers found in 2014 that this protein was depleted in the brains of people with Alzheimer's. For the recent study, researchers used mice and worms to test how REST plays a role in lifespan. When they increased the worm's version of REST, the brain activity decreased and they lived longer. The study found mice lacking the protein were also more likely to have busier brains. Some even had seizure like bursts of brain activity. The Washington Post spoke with Cynthia Kenyon, Vice President of Aging Research at Calico Labs, who praised the study. I think this is overactivity, out of control excitation. It's not good for the brain, she told the Post. You want the neurons to be active when and where you want them to be active, not to be just generally firing off. So I'm assuming they're saying that when you think too much, if you have like a lot of brain activity, if you got neurons firing, neurons or brain cells, if they're too active, it can cause you to shorten your lifespan. That's basically what they're saying. So you know what I'm saying. But like I said, I don't know if this is an actual legit study. I don't know if it's propaganda or what. So they're basically saying that, in a nutshell, they're saying that if you're dumb people live longer, and smart people live shorter, according to the study. So, which is weird. But anyway, though, I suggest do my research, and I might like do a little bit of more research on this myself. You know, but I just reason why I'm doing a video on this, I've been seeing it circulating everywhere. So I just if it's propaganda, if they're saying like, well, if you're smart, if you got high IQ, that's not good for your health. So there might be propaganda they're trying to put out there. Yeah, but anyway though, but what I do is this actual article, I just leave the link below so you can like read it yourself. And that's all I had to say. I just want to share this little information with you guys. All right, peace out.